Our customer portal, My DMG MORI, has already proven itself with over 30,000 customers, but we're not resting on our laurels. With the new My DMG MORI features, we offer you the direct and also fastest line to your service expert. You can now manage everything that happens around your service case directly with your DMG MORI service expert until the problem is solved via My DMG MORI. Your problem is forwarded directly to the right expert, who from now on remains available via chat for the direct exchange of further information, queries, and assistance, all simply via My DMG MORI. You won't miss anything because we will inform you about any news via push message to your mobile phone or PC. We have simplified even more for you and made it clear. For example, we make offers available to you for processing directly in My DMG MORI. Simply accept, change, or reject them with a click. You save time and maintain an overview. Even better, you can identify your required spare part via My DMG MORI by photographing or scanning it, ideally with the My DMG MORI app, and transfer it directly to the service request or order it straight away. The fastest way to the solution is via My DMG MORI. Whether queries, additions to your service case, or simple assistance, My DMG MORI is the key to mutual success.